Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can use ChatGPT over on your Discord. So the process is going to be very simple. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you have to go to discordbothlist.com. Once you're there, here you have to search for ChatGPT, and after that you will get these bots right here, and just select the ChatGPT bot from here and just add this bot to your Discord server. Click on add, then you have to select your server, click continue, and scroll down and click on authorize. Now go and verify for the human. Alright, so here we go, and you can see the bot is added to our Discord. Now go to your server and you can see here is the ChatGPT bot. So how you can use that bot, if you click on it, all these commands will be displayed to you, but you can either write for help. Okay, not this one. Okay, write /help, go for ChatGPT, hit enter, and these are basically the commands which this ChatGPT can perform. So you can see there are a lot of commands right here: /auto mode, bot, help, and imagine. So in order to ask the question, you have to write /chat. Alright, so here we have. Now you have to write your message, and I'm going to write alright, so an equation with degree 3 is called, and then you have to select the model, select the GPT-3 and hit enter. And here we go. You can see the AI replied to us, and we got this answer: a polynomial equation of degree 3 is called a cubic equation. So this is basically how you can use ChatGPT over on Discord. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.